It's a 97. And I've been looking on online forums, and I'm starting to suspect that perhaps my strut mounts have gone bad. And I'll show you a few things, and if there are any experts out there, maybe they can confirm. I've got a lot of squeaks and clunks. I do notice that when taking a left turn and going over a pothole at the same time, there is a very severe clunk. Also, at the same time, the steering is a little resistant returning to center after turning. I heard that might be a symptom of bad strut mounts. I also saw in a forum that this is a test. The car is on the ground right now. And that's not really tight. Alright. And it does move a little bit. Not a lot. I'll now attempt to put some weight on the car. I'm now going to jack up the car, and I will keep the camera pointed at the top of the strut tower. See if there's any motion. And here we go. Alright, is now off the ground. You might have heard a little squeaking there too. I think that might be coming from the control mounts, but maybe not. I'm going to let it down now. Alright, letting down now. Alright, well, you got a little tour of my car's strut tower, and if I could get any advice of what someone thinks maybe my clunking sounds are or my steering issues are, I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you.